Wow, look at that. Pretty much just draining straight rust right now. Now fill that up and work on filling this up. Use an oil filter so I can get it fairly level. It's a lot of water, y'all. Ain't no telling how rusted this tank is. Well, I'll be back whenever it finishes draining. Well, let's finish draining it. Fill that up. Yeah, I say 2/3 of the way. Filled up that pot. That was a lot of water, y'all. Date code is 08-2396, 29 years old, never been drained. This is a good reminder to drain your tanks, your air compressor tanks. Ain't no telling how much metal is left on the inside before it busted through. So yeah, it was time to change her out. Y'all have a good one and a lesson learned. See y'all.